As well known to us, competition is no longer between companies, but between supply chains. So, how middlemen like China associating or trading company, they can help on it. Here's some quotes from Guide Importing and hope to help importers. Some of new customers request us not to source products from middlemen. We are more than happy to abide by customer wishes. But I wanted to create this article to introduce people to the hating aspect of a sourcing eating company that most guys won't tell you. A lot of guys I read focus entirely on getting your products for the lowest price possible, but we see otherwise. And DIY importer looking to improve need to streamline their sourcing process. And a great way to do this is to look at sourcing eating companies as much as manufacturer. So, I'm going to be super biased here and list a bunch of reasons why sourcing eating company are going to be better for you and your streamlined importing process. 1. Sourcing eating company understand customer service more than factories. Their focus is entirely on the customer, so it's often easier to communicate with them. 2. They build the relationship so you don't have to. A sourcing eating company will often work very closely with multiple factories and more good relationships. So they pass their relationships down to you in an effort to increase their worth to their customers. 3. They are willing to go the extra mile when the factory won't. If you want multiple items sourced for multiple products, they can help. If you need a special package or special labeling, a sourcing eating company could help you too. 4. Sourcing eating company often use factories that are not too big enough to have their own international sales team or export license. This means they are working with a factory that they have more cost-effective prices than some used to find competitors online. 5. Sourcing eating companies have little overhead, so they can offer their cost-effective pricing. Their markup is sometimes as little as 3%. Rent is not cheap in China, and sourcing eating companies don't need to be huge. A team of 4 to 10 workers at a sourcing eating company can have much lower overhead than a factory of 100 employees or more. 6. Sourcing eating companies are greater for small quantity buyers. They often have greater relationships with their factories, able to offer lower order quantity for the small-sized importer. According to our over 10 years sourcing eating experiences, we have found that factories are normally only willing to spend time on the customers with big volume. Otherwise, factory sales may be fired because of not finishing their planned amount of sales. 7. They offer more products and are more happy to send you additional product samples for free. I always tell my clients to request their sourcing eating company send them 3 of their best-selling product samples in every shipment. This is a great way to source more products and do so quickly and efficiently. So, before you run away from the idea that sourcing eating companies are just another middleman stealing your pennies from your profits, understand the massive benefits that it can bring in. It isn't uncommon for serious importers to only use sourcing eating companies because of how much more enjoyable they are to work with. Want to see for yourself? Request sourcing eating company can be added to your sourcing report, and we will be sure to include all the benefits you have on your production. So, an efficient supply chain with China associated help allows good companies to be great, and great companies to be extraordinary. So, thanks for watching and see you on next video. Goodbye.